Hey, what's up? Stephanie, the English coach here from EnglishFullTime.com. Recently, this YouTube channel hit 1 million subscribers, and so I just wanted to make a quick video to say thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing, for watching my videos, for liking, for commenting. I am so grateful to have you here, and especially because I know that I have not been posting videos here on this channel as often as you probably would like. I recently made a post in the community tab saying, hey guys, I want to make a video again. What should I make it be about? And a lot of people were just like, can you just tell us what you've been up to? Like, where have you been? Anyways, the journey to 1 million subscribers on YouTube has been so interesting because the entire time I've been here on YouTube, I never really considered myself a YouTuber because I was actually so focused on building my online English courses for intermediate to advanced English learners that most of my time and energy went there, and I didn't have the time and energy to make videos, so I would honestly just do it when I could. Now though, I'm actually quite excited to announce this. I'm finally in a place where I can make regular content on YouTube because I have built all of my courses. I don't know if I will build more, but I probably won't for a while. I need to take a break because it has been crazy. Okay, I started in 2016, and the first 2.5 years of English Full Time was just me figuring it out. It was really hard. It was like failed program after failed program, and I couldn't really figure out, how to deliver a program that would get students results. And then in 2019, everything changed because I created the Fluency Breakthrough Challenge. It's a 30-day challenge that we do twice a year in January and July to help students unlock their fluency. And that program blew up. It worked so well. Students got really great results. And it was kind of like the start of everything for me because then I figured out how to help students get results. And then I just created program after program after program. And that's where I've been, quite honestly. When I post a video on YouTube and then 3 months go by, 6 months go by, it's because I'm really focused on the courses. However, as I said, now things are different because I've made the courses and I want to come back to YouTube. Making YouTube videos is so much fun, and there are things that I want to teach that I feel like would not fit well into any one course. So I'm like, oh, that's going to be great content for YouTube. So that's what I've been doing when it comes to English Full Time. That's where I've been. I've been there with my students. If you're in one of my courses, because you see the content every week, you get emails from me, etc., etc. So that's where my attention has been. And then on a personal note, I became a mom in 2020. So I had my first son, Arlo. And then in 2022, I had Rocco, my second son. So I've just been busy being a mom, and I try to be really present. I adore my kids. I love spending time with them. I think it's the best thing that has ever happened to me. Anyways, that is where I've been. That is what I have been up to. And I want to say, I'm kind of scared to say it, but I want to say it. I'm back, but I also feel like I'm here for the first time because for the first time in my YouTube career, if you will, I really have time to focus 100% on my YouTube channel and bring lessons to you, deliver lessons to you as often as possible. So I'm really excited about that. And then I'm just going to keep doing my mom thing, being a mom and telling you about my kids and stuff like that. So hopefully you will stick around for the journey, and I can't wait to make regular videos here for you. Oh, and I will leave links to the programs that I run and all of that down below in the description. So if you're interested in any of that, you can check it out. We also have some really cool free guides. I have a free pronunciation course too. I don't know if you've ever heard of it or done it. It's called the Fluent Pronunciation Challenge. In this program, you will actually get over 7 hours of really in-depth pronunciation training from me. So if you have not done this program already, I highly recommend it. It's 100% free. Also, in a couple weeks in June, we are going to start the Accent Freedom program. And in July, we are going to do the Fluency Breakthrough Challenge again. So we have a lot to look forward to. And again, I hope to see you soon, either here on YouTube or in one of my programs. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.